Have you followed your doctor's orders, tried medication, tried exercises, and everything else, but you still have chronic neck or back pain? Dr. Christopher Beller and the staff at Complete Healthcare are here to help you. We offer and effectively treat chronic back pain, neck pain, migraines, and other painful conditions. We treat patients with the worst pain and injury, especially those conditions that haven't responded to other treatment. Our treatments are ideal for patients with spinal pain in both the hard and soft tissues, including complex, difficult back problems such as herniated disc or bulging discs. If you have neck and lower back pain, hip or leg pain, shoulder, arm pain, or even carpal tunnel. If you suffer from headaches, arthritis pain, fibromyalgia, or even scoliosis, we'd like to see you. Come visit us today at Complete Healthcare and call us to schedule your appointment at 704-412-8114.